Hello everyone, I'm Marilyn from Jazzy's Creation Design, and I'm going to show you how to create this felt book in the miracle candle. This is a two-part video. So for this video I'm going to show you how I created the felt book, the casita, and I'm also going to show you how I made the stamps or used the stamps with the sublimation ink. And for the second video, for the rubber stamps and how to create that, please go to the other video. So to get started, you're going to need the file. So go to www.jazzyscreation.com where you can find all the files that you'll need to make this project. I went ahead and used my Cricut machine. The Cricut machine has a setting for felt, so I went ahead and used that. As you can see right here, I'm just having my Cricut machine cut the felt all in different colors. Then I am just going to assemble them. And so I made the layout to be able to create a couple of pages for the book. I went ahead and did 4 pages, but you can glue everything together, you can sew everything together and just make the house layout, or you can make a pocket and sew the outside of it. But my intention was to make a book. So I use fabric glue on the edges, but also the windows and the small cutouts before I sew everything together, just so I can see how it looks like. So I am just using my stamps. The flower layout, it looks like it's from Hot Press, and the animals is from Paper Zone. So these are just stamps that I have on my collection, and I am making patterns with regular piece of paper. And I am just placing the stamps around the house. So as you can see, I glue everything together, and this is my first page. And I'm adding flowers, and I'm adding birds, because this is Maribel and Antonio's house. As you can see, I used color stamps, so you can see the purple, and now I'm adding fabric paint for some detailing. And I also added ribbon. For the edge of the book, I am using eyelets. I'm just showing you here that I use some buttons, some flowers. There's my first page, adding glitter. And the texture from the stamps, the colored ink stamps. Oh, those butterflies are stamped and they look great. My daughter wants more of those. You can also see here that I sewed one edge. So I sewed the book's pages together. So the one page has Antonio's house and Maribel. The second page has Isabella's, and so forth. So I did do them in stages, and I did do them as separate pages, and then we'll sew the details. So you can see that I added the eyelids on my pages, so 2 on each page. You can also see here I'm going through the pages and just added the ribbon. For the details, these cute fabric flowers are perfect, but go ahead and play with it. Make it your own. Add sparkle, add no sparkle. Add leaves, don't add leaves. my daughter recommended a lot of these details, and so I went ahead and made them for her. She still thinks it's a little plain, so I might have to go back and add more. Here's a great detail of the second video of the candle and how I used the ink pads from Artesprix Sublimation ink pads. They are vibrant, they turn out great, and now they have colors. So you can see some of the purple, you can see the yellow, you can see the characters that are vibrant colors. I hope you liked the project. Happy crafting! Like it for more.